Let's talk about Proxy Spray Walkaway. This is an upholstery, carpet cleaning, and you can even use it for auto detailing for car seats. It's a wonderful cleaning solution, and I've mentioned it many a times on here, but let's talk about why this chemical is so effective and how it actually works. So as the product claims, can you actually spray this on an organic stain and simply walk away and it dissolves? We always get beautiful results, but let's talk more details. So the first thing to note, it is a hydrogen peroxide based cleaning chemical. So the hydrogen peroxide in it oxidizes the molecules in organic stains such as coffee, pet urine, red wine, stuff like that. So it oxidizes the molecules, making it fade away gradually over time when you're using this product. Another reason why I absolutely love using this product is because it fully eliminates odors. It doesn't just mask them. So how does it fully eliminate the odors? Well, odors like vomit, pet urine, for example, odors come from bacteria. The hydrogen peroxide in the Proxy spray basically bring out oxygen onto the stain, and that breaks down the molecules, eliminating the odors completely. Again, not just masking it like when you're spraying Febreze on it. And of course, another reason why this is a wonderful product is because it is safe and green. So it basically breaks down into water and oxygen. That's the thing. It's not a harsh chemical that you will be using to try and eliminate odors. That's why I love it. There you have it. It is an excellent product, but of course, you still need to use extraction machines and proper techniques and other chemicals if you are a professional doing this. Don't expect to run into a customer's house or office space, spray this stuff and they get out of there. That's not how this works. But it is a great product to help you fight those tough organic stains.